In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync MyFitnessPal with MapMyRun. Full tutorial. By the end, your runs and workouts from MapMyRun will automatically flow into MyFitnessPal, so your calorie burn and exercise entries update without any manual logging. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your phone. If you're not already signed in, tap Login on the welcome screen. Enter the email address and password associated with your MyFitnessPal account, keeping your credentials private and secure. Then tap Login again to continue. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the More menu. Depending on your device, it's often at the bottom right or represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap that to open your settings and tools. From there, choose Apps and Devices. This is where MyFitnessPal lists partner apps that can share data. Scroll through the options or use the search bar if you see one and select MapMyRun. This opens the integration page with details about what will sync between the two apps. Tap Install to begin setting up the connection. If you see a confirmation screen, tap Install again to approve it. After the installation completes, go back to the MapMyRun page in MyFitnessPal and tap Connect. You may see a quick system prompt. Tap OK to proceed. Next, you'll be presented with a permission screen. Tap Allow to give MyFitnessPal access to the data it needs, such as workouts and activity details. Granting these permissions is essential for the sync to work properly. That's the full setup. From now on, when you record a workout in MapMyRun, it will sync into MyFitnessPal and appear in your exercise section, and your daily calorie goal may adjust to reflect your activity. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if you have several recent workouts, so give it a moment to catch up. If you don't see data right away, make sure you have a solid internet connection and that both apps are updated to the latest version. It also helps to open each app after your workout to nudge the sync along. Remember, you can disconnect and reconnect later from the same apps and devices area if you ever need to refresh the link. You're all set. With MyFitnessPal and MapMyRun connected, your nutrition and activity will stay aligned automatically, helping you track progress more accurately and stay motivated